there's a big storm that's been passing over. I've heard there's been a lot of damage. We've actually had some tree fall over in our yard. As you can see, we've cut it up over there. Some over there as well. The fence is completely falling down. Guy's been repairing this house for months, but we had a tornado warning last night. Thankfully, nothing happened. Some of our garbage cans did fall down. Nothing got lost, but thankfully not. Everything was picked up. Everything's put back to where it was, and we're good on that part. But for those out there still experiencing this storm front, I hope you're all safe. So stay safe. If you can, we call it rig it, just so things don't fall over, such as garbage cans, loose wood piles, so on and so forth. Make sure everything is good and tight, and be careful, because we're in some weird times. Ciao.